Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unlinking Fortnite from your Xbox, PlayStation, Twitch or Switch account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up a web browser on either your console, computer or mobile. In the web browser, go to epicgames.com. Click Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Log in to your Epic Games account here. Once you're logged in, hover on your username at the top right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. On your account page, open Connections from the left sidebar. On the Connections screen, click the Accounts tab. This will show you the accounts you are linked to. Select Disconnect on the platform you want to unlink. Read and confirm all the checkboxes before you click Unlink. Your Fortnite and Epic Games account will now be unlinked from that platform. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.